All right, court is calling 2023 CR 1642, State of Texas versus Janelle Garza. Can our parties approach and announce for the record for the state?
Hank Wilkins for the state.
Defense.
Elizabeth Russell for Janelle Garza.
Are you Janelle Garza?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, you received all the discovery. Did you review it with your client?
I did, Judge.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Ms. Garza, I'm showing you what's entitled Application for Deferred Adjudication of Community Supervision. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Showing you what's entitled True Bill of Indictment. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes,
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
we do, Judge.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Ms. Garza, I'm showing you what's entitled Court Admonishments. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
And did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your
Do you understand you're charged with the offense of unauthorized use of a vehicle? That's a state jail felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine.
Yes.
After reviewing state's exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. The court will defer finding of guilt as you've applied for.
This is where it all starts. Janelle stands in court quietly, hearing the charges against her. A stolen car, a man who says he was drugged, and yet she's asking for mercy. You can feel the weight of it, but we don't know the whole story. Not yet.
On behalf of your client?
Yes, Judge. Ms. Garza, at the time of the offense, had been a drug addict for several years. When she was arrested, it was her first felony arrest, and it scared her. It scared her enough to get clean and to get a job. Since May 10th of this year, she's been clean. She did it on her own without going to rehab because she couldn't afford to go to rehab. And she's been clean for over 6 months. She has reconciled with her mother, and she's been employed since June of this year. She is a different person than the person that committed this offense because she understood and is willing to take responsibility for exactly what happened and wants to move forward with her life. She understood a change was necessary. And I think the person that you see today is a different person than the person that committed this offense. So we would request you place her on deferred adjudication because of that.
Her attorney paints a picture of redemption. 6 months clean, back with her daughter, employed. It sounds like a comeback story. But in court, redemption needs receipts. And the judge is about to dig deeper.
He discovered his vehicle was gone with the keys, cell phones, and multicolored debit card. He found out later in the day his debit card had been used at a local gas station. The stolen vehicle, which is what we're here today, was found today, had the keys in the ignition, and had no signs of tampering in the steering column. Victim stated he never gave any consent to take or use his vehicle and wanted to process with charges. Victim gave us consent to process and search the vehicle. While searching the vehicle, victim's debit card was found inside her purse. So they're saying they found his debit card inside your purse.
Mm-hmm.
The debit, well, I mean, you're saying,
No, I'm saying I understand what you're saying. I don't recall them.
This part is hard to watch. The judge reads the police report, drugging, theft, the victim waking up without his car, phone, or debit card. And that card? Found in Janelle's purse. Her defense starts to unravel. Her voice shifts from confident to confused. That's the sound of a story coming undone.
going to be.
I'll be clean.
All right. So we'll do a drug test today, then I'll come back with sentencing. All right. Are you all ready?
Yes,
All right. We're back on the record in 2023 CR 1642. State versus Janelle Garza. So when's the last time you used marijuana?
Yesterday.
All right. So what your attorney was singing your praises about how you've gotten your life together and you did it all on your own. So why are you using marijuana?
Well, I guess I should say I got my life together. I used to use meth for 5 years.
I'm sorry, what?
I used to use meth and
Yeah.
ketamine for 5 years. That's what I've been clean for the last 6 months.
But marijuana is illegal here in Texas. So why are you using marijuana?
It just helps me with my anxiety. That's basically it.
All right. But as a part of the program
I
and
would
taking
know.
responsibility,
Yes,
when
ma'am.
your attorney was singing your praises, talking about how you clean and sober, you
Yes.
know that sobriety.
Boom. Right there, the judge asks about her drug use, and she admits she used marijuana yesterday. Just minutes earlier, her lawyer claimed she was sober. It's not meth, sure. But in the eyes of the law, clean means clean. The courtroom vibe turns.
Use marijuana while you're on probation.
I understand that, and I understand that I would not be able to use it, and I won't use it.
But do you understand you're not clean and sober?
Yes, and
So what do you do for a living?
I'm a nanny.
Oh, not anymore. I don't allow people on felony probation to be nannies, to be home health care providers, and especially someone who's not clean and sober. And who are you a nanny to? Is this a relative or somebody?
Yes.
Sister, cousin, who is it? All right. So that job is over with today. You understand?
Yes.
So how far did you go in school?
I went all the way through high school. I graduated, and I went through some trade school. I had my medical assistant. I went through medical assistant school. I finished that.
And where are your children?
Now it hits real life. The judge strips away her job as a nanny. No working with kids, no caregiving roles. You see the impact of choices ripple out. It's no longer just court paperwork. It's livelihood, it's family, it's trust.
Are there any other questions?
No, Your Honor.
All right, there's a $500 fine that will be probated. 3 years deferred adjudication. Going to do a TAP evaluation, follow recommendations. If they recommend inpatient treatment, we'll start with intensive outpatient treatment. There's going to be 90 sober meetings in 90 days. I'm going to want her tested for levels. If the marijuana levels go up, then we're going to address that.
Yes.
There is going to be the UA hotline. Regular reporting by Zoom or in person. $100 hours of community service restitution. Parenting classes. Once she completes parenting classes, 50 of those hours will be deemed to be satisfied. You're either going to get a higher level education, or either you're going to complete trade school or whatever you're going to do. That's going to be required. And once that
3 years of probation, treatment, drug tests, community service, parenting classes. This is more than a slap on the wrist. But the judge still gives her a shot. The terms are tough, but not impossible. That's what second chances look like when the system's watching.
one time per month for 3 months. And if there are no issues, then it'll be one time every 4 months. Restitution, if any, and no contact with Josiah Hernandez and counsel. If there is restitution that's determined by probation and you think it's inappropriate, you can come back for a hearing.
Judge, I do think we're gonna need a hearing. They've submitted numbers to restitution that we believe is inappropriate.
Okay. All right. And probation, is there anything else she needs?
Your Honor, I apologize. You said restitution if any and no contact with Josiah Hernandez?
Yes. And it's Josiah.
Thank you, Judge. Nothing else.
The final blow, inpatient treatment. Voluntary or not, the judge makes the decision. You can sense Janelle didn't expect this. Her past keeps dragging her back, even when her present is trying to move forward. This is the line between change and consequences. Clip 8. This case isn't about one bad night. It's about rebuilding after years of addiction and whether honesty can keep up with recovery. The judge didn't shut the door, but he made sure Janelle knows. If you want a second chance, it comes with conditions.